Looking to eat healthier without giving up your favorite crispy foods? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best air fryers that combine smart features, powerful performance, and stylish design, perfect for every modern kitchen. So, without further ado, let's get started. Item number 5. Experience smart, oil-free cooking with the XMSJ 8L air fryer. Featuring a powerful 1400-watt motor and 360-degree hot air circulation, it delivers crispy, delicious meals with 80% less fat. The large LED touchscreen and transparent window offer full control and visibility. With 8 preset functions, it's perfect for fries, chicken, steak, and more. Made from BPA-free food-grade stainless steel, it's safe, stylish, and easy to clean. Ideal for families. Cook smarter, healthier, and faster. Item number 4. Introducing the Xiaomi Midea 4.5L Smart Air Fryer, a compact, powerful kitchen essential with 1200-watt light-wave heating and 360 degrees hot air circulation for perfectly crispy, oil-free meals. Featuring a smart touchscreen, Mi Home app control, and 50-plus recipes, it's ideal for baking, grilling, thawing, and fermenting. With precise temperature control from 40 to 200 degrees Celsius, food-grade non-stick coating, and a removable basket, it's easy to use, clean, and perfect for healthy family cooking. Item number 3. Introducing the Balashov 10L Touch Control Air Fryer, a powerful 350-watt, oil-free fryer with 360 degrees hot air circulation for evenly cooked, crispy meals. Its transparent window lets you monitor food in real time. Designed for 4 to 5 people, it features smart temperature control, 80 degrees to 230 degrees, a 60-minute timer, and automatic power-off for safety. Whether you're baking, frying, or roasting, this stainless steel convection oven makes healthy cooking easy and efficient for every kitchen. Item number 2. The Balashov GN06A air fryer offers a 4.5-liter capacity and 1200 watts of power for quick, oil-free cooking. Its porcelain housing, food-grade non-stick coating, and thermal cycle heating ensure healthier meals and easy cleaning. With a touch control panel and automatic power-off when the pot is removed, it's both user-friendly and safe. Cook up to 10 chicken wings at once, ideal for 4 to 5 people. Enjoy fries, steak, pizza, and more without preheating. A smart, healthy kitchen essential. Item number 1. Introducing the Crank Mocha JD888 Smart Air Fryer, a 4.5-liter oil-free health fryer built for modern kitchens. With 1300-watt power and 360 degrees baking convection, it ensures even, fast cooking without the need for oil. Its non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze, while the clear visual window lets you monitor your food easily. Certified by Oilless and featuring a porcelain body, it combines style, safety, and functionality. Perfect for families, this smart kitchen companion offers healthy, crispy meals every time, backed by a 2-year warranty. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe this channel.